from the school, we are trying hard to do the best for our environment. We are working hard to manage our waste. When we have leftover food scraps, they go into the food scraps bin. After lunch, these bins get emptied into the worm farm.
In the classroom, our paper and cardboard waste goes directly into the paper bin. At the end of the day, this bin gets emptied into the large paper bin by Mr. Rhodes' office, or in the recycle bin in the back car park. We also have large bins in each area that yogurt containers and other recyclables can be placed in. These bins are green with yellow lids.
Any of the rubbish that doesn't go into the food scrap bin, the paper bin, or the recyclable bin goes into the blue or black bins in our classrooms. This is landfill rubbish and gets emptied into the large bin in the back car park. A large truck comes to empty this bin from the back car park. This truck takes the rubbish to the refuse transfer station, where it is checked again and then taken to a nearby landfill.